Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Repair, where we break down car problems so you can fix them like a pro, or at least not get ripped off at the shop. Today, we are talking about lock-up torque converters, what they do, how they fail, and the symptoms that tell you it's time to take action. Your torque converter sits between the engine and the transmission in automatic cars. It uses fluid to transfer power, but that also means there's a bit of slippage. To improve efficiency, many modern cars use a lock-up clutch inside the converter. At cruising speeds, it locks the converter, creating a direct connection between engine and transmission, boosting fuel economy and reducing heat. Here are the most common symptoms of a failing lock-up torque converter is check engine light on. Common codes related to the TCC, torque converter clutch. These usually mean the clutch is stuck on or off, or the solenoid controlling it is faulty. A good obtuse scan tool will help you spot it quickly. The second symptoms is slipping at highway speeds. When cruising at around 40 to 60 mph, if you notice the RPMs going up and down slightly without pressing the gas, that could be your converter slipping instead of locking properly. The third symptoms is overheating transmission, bad lockup, more slippage, more heat. Over time, this can break down your transmission fluid and wear out internal parts. If your trans is overheating, check that converter. And if your transmission fluid smells burnt, or your transmission is running hot, that could point to the lockup clutch not engaging or disengaging correctly. The fourth symptoms is vibrating under load. This is probably the most annoying symptom. You will feel a vibration or shudder like you're driving over washboard pavement when accelerating lightly or going uphill. That's the lockup clutch engaging and disengaging improperly. The fifth symptoms is poor fuel economy. Ever feel like you're spending more at the pump and not sure why? A malfunctioning torque converter clutch could be robbing you of MPG without throwing a check engine light. So there you have it. If your car's shaking, slipping, or stalling, don't ignore it. A failing lock-up torque converter might be the culprit. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.